Lisbon, away they go. They're off. They race away for the first BGBF British Bred Puppy Cup Heat 1. They're about to attack the first two bends, and he's 2 out in front. Union Blizzard just cuts up the 4 Romeo Firebrand. 3 on the inside, Keyfield Goose. Then it's the 6 Pro Cooper. Then it's the 1 in behind ahead of the 5 Beach Bull. They head round the final couple of bends, and it's Union Blizzard out in front then here. 3 making progress, Keyfield Goose, who now to switch back to the outside. 2 out in front then here, and 2 goes on for the win. 3 second. 5 and 6 go to the judge. So, Union Blizzard is the winner then here.